Study panel. This is Devendra Sijala from Kendriya Vidyalaya Rajkot. In today's class, we shall discuss the second part of Unit 6 class discussion. Dear students, if you have not watched the part 1, by clicking on the link over here, you can watch the part 1. Let's move to the topic. Let's read and do. Children who show exceptional bravery are honored with the Bravery Award to recognize their presence of mind. See, the government of India, the Indian Council of Child and Welfare, will give bravery award to those children who show exceptional bravery. Exceptional means something which is out of the way, something which is new, which is praiseworthy. So these are called exceptional bravery, and they are honored with bravery award to recognize their presence of mind. So such children will be given an award, and that award is called bravery award. In 1957, the Indian Council of Child Welfare started this National Bravery Awards. See, this awards is given by Government of India, and it was started in the year in 1957. The Indian Council of Child Welfare is responsible and is look after to give away these National Bravery Awards. Now we'll move on to the next point. Brave children are awarded cash prizes, free school education, and a certificate from the Prime Minister of India. They ride on an elephant in the Republic Day parade. See, the selected children will be given awards, and in that award, they will be given cash prizes, and they will get free school education throughout the life, and a certificate from the Prime Minister of India. See, nowadays our Prime Minister is Mr. Narendra Bhai Modi, and he will give away this award to the selected children. They ride on an elephant in the Republic Day parade. As we all know that 26th of January we celebrate as a Republic Day. So on that day, these prizes will be given away. Now, here two examples are given for that. Harsh Srivastava, a 12-year-old boy, and his 15-year-old sister rescued a child from the attack of raging bull. See, Harsh Srivastava and her sister. Hers is of 12 years, and her sister is and his sister is 15 years. So both of them saved a child from uncontrolled bull. And due to this exceptional bravery, they were given this award. Yamunan Jaydev Singh, 11-year-old, jumped into the flooded river and saved a 3-year-old from drowning. The act of bravery was recognized because he saved the life of an infant. See, ये अवार्ड उनको दिया जाता है स्पेशली, मतलब जो कुछ ऐसा थोड़ा हटके या अपनी जान जोखिम में डाल के किसी और का जान बचाते हैं, उनको ये अवार्ड दिया जाता है. तो here we can see Jaydev Singh is 11-year-old, and he jumped into the flooded river and saved life of 3-year-old infant from drowning. Now see, हर कोई ऐसा नहीं कर सकता है. ये क्या होता है, एक्सेप्शनल होता है, यानी बहुत कम लोग ये चीज परफॉर्म कर पाते हैं. इसी वजह से उनको रिकॉग्निशन मिलता है, एंड दे विल बी गिवन नेशनल ब्रेवरी अवार्ड. यू कैन सी दैट ऑन द एलिफेंट दे आर ऑल राइडिंग, दे आर ऑल wearing green jackets. So this is a picture of Republic Day parade in Delhi. Find one story of bravery about a child. Now, dear students, here you have to find one story by searching on the net. You can Google the story also. You can search for the story by talking to older people and watching a TV program or from a film. See, you have to find out some another story uh, besides this Harsh and Yamunan Jaydev Singh. You can find it out, and you have to tell this story to in class. Now, write down the story. You have to also write down that story in your notebook and also mention its source, that from where you have taken that story. So, you have to also mention its source. Narrate the story to the class. After that, in our class, you have to narrate that story in our regular class in your own words. Now, which story did you like the best? Write down your reason. See, here we are having two stories, and you can add one more stories from your side, and you have to find out which is the best story as per your views, your opinions, and why do you like that that particular story is best out of the three. Now, write a notice. A notice tells who, when, where, and what. The girls and boys of class 5 wrote notices for the bulletin board. Read Sheila's notice. See, this is a notice of Sheila. Discuss the questions that follow. See, here are some questions. Now, let us read the notice first. On the basis of this notice, we have to answer these four questions. Let us read it. Notice. The drama committee will meet in the classroom on Monday at 2 o'clock. We'll plan a play for our annual day. Will each of one of you please bring a play? Sheila. Now, see, these four questions, who, when, where, and what, are written here. And now we have to find out the answers for all these four questions from this notice. Let us read the first question. Who was to meet? The drama committee was to meet. It is written here. The drama committee will meet. So, the drama committee was to meet. Second question. When were they to meet? So on Monday at 2 o'clock. They were to meet at 2 o'clock on Monday. Now the place. Where were they to meet? They were to meet in the classroom. What is written here? You can see. Will plan. Will meet in the classroom. So in class 5th, they are going to meet. What were they to do? They will chalk out the plan for the drama. They were to plan a play for their annual day. It is written over here. We'll plan a play for our annual day. Now, here you have to write a notice about a library committee or a football committee. So, you have to write this notice and you should keep in mind these four questions in your mind, that who, when, where, and what should be included in that notice. So, you have to write the notice in your English notebook. You can choose other topic also. Here, two topics are given: library committee and football match. You can also choose either of them. Thank you very much, dear students. If you feel this video is useful to you, please share and like. Thank you.